Hey, it's Peter here again with you, KJ5AJB, and today I'm going to show you to make some do-it-yourself cable ties. I came across these on the internet at some point, don't remember where, but I looked at them and seen they seem to be pretty simple. They're made out of some elastic cord and a little cinch clip here. And you can find a package of these on Amazon or eBay, wherever you want to purchase them from is up to you. So I'll switch scenes here. So basically, I ordered a set. It came with a bunch of cord, plenty of cord, and several of the things you need to cinch up the cord to make it tight. So once you got them on something, it kind of looks like this here. So you can just undo it like that, pull it off, put it back on. You just loop it back through again like this, and then pull this tight, and there you go. So I'm going to show you how to make one here. You can make them in various lengths for whatever you need. So I'll make a kind of a simple one here. I'm going to need some scissors for this, aren't I? So you can give me a sec here. Let me with the scissors. And I'm back. Let me measure that one out. So what you think that it would come out as is not necessarily what it is. So you would figure if you were 12 inches and you doubled it over, you'd have a 6-inch loop. That's not true. You end up with a 5-inch one. So I'm going to go 14 inches here. I'll cut that off. And you can make a bunch of these at once. Just cut a bunch of cords and go to town. So then you want to kind of burn the ends of the cord so it keeps it from fraying. Be careful with this because this stuff does melt and gets hot. Don't need you scalding your fingers. I'll get us a clip out here. We'll try this one here. Push down on it. Come on, you can get it there. There we go. Get them up through. I'll loop them around and kind of get them about pretty close to the same length here. Okay. Then what you want to do is you're going to tie a knot in the end, like so. Let me try that again there. Just a simple little graining knot, and you want to kind of keep it as close to the end there so you're not wasting a bunch of your cable. Make that good and tight. And there you go. One each cinch tie. So like I said, you can make them in different lengths. I've got some shorter ones I use on like my ground stakes to kind of hold my wire in place if I need to, or something like that when I'm out with my radio. So I hope this helped you all out and add some benefit to you. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll drop with some more DIY stuff for you. and we'll just see how it goes from there. I think the next one I'm going to do is on a carry bag for taking your radio camping with you. So I think a lot of other folks having a backpack or whatever, but that's not what I'm going to do. I'm going to come up with one that you just carry and put in your truck, and then take your stuff out and use it from there. So thanks for watching again, and don't forget to like and subscribe.